How did Roman architecture influence modern building techniques? If you've ever marveled at the grandeur of ancient Roman structures, you might wonder how their architectural innovations have shaped the way we build today. Let's explore the lasting impact of Roman architecture on modern building techniques. One of the most significant contributions of the Romans was their use of concrete. Unlike the Greeks, who primarily used stone and marble, the Romans developed a versatile and durable form of concrete made from volcanic ash, quicklime, and seawater. This mixture, known as opus cementitium, could repair itself over time by reacting with rainwater and carbon dioxide to create calcium carbonate, filling cracks and extending the structure's lifespan. The Romans also revolutionized construction with the true arch, which allowed them to build larger and more complex structures. The true arch, composed of wedge-shaped blocks called voussoirs with a keystone at the center, enabled the distribution of weight evenly, making it possible to span greater distances than the simple post and lintel system used by the Greeks. Arches, combined with vaults and domes, became hallmark features of Roman architecture. These elements allowed for the creation of expansive and breathtaking interior spaces, as seen in iconic structures like the Pantheon and the Colosseum. These innovations have continued to influence modern architecture, with vaults and domes being used in churches, government buildings, and other public structures. Roman urban planning was another area where they excelled. They introduced the grid layout for cities, which ensured well-organized and functional urban centers. This grid system, along with the emphasis on public infrastructure such as roads and aqueducts, laid the groundwork for modern city designs. Today, these principles continue to guide the development of transportation systems and utilities, making cities more efficient and functional. The use of columns, borrowed from the Greeks but enhanced by the Romans, served both decorative and structural purposes. These columns are still seen in modern buildings, particularly in government and public spaces, where they add a touch of classical elegance and structural support. In addition to these structural innovations, the Romans' attention to detail in decorative elements has also had a lasting impact. Techniques such as stamped concrete, acid staining, and exposed aggregate finishes, which were used to create intricate and beautiful designs, are still employed today in modern construction, especially in outdoor spaces like patios and driveways. The legacy of Roman architecture is evident in modern buildings that incorporate classical elements like columns, arches, and domes. For example, the Palace of the Argentine National Congress in Buenos Aires features a central dome and numerous columns, reflecting the symmetrical design reminiscent of ancient Roman temples. In summary, Roman architecture's influence on modern building techniques is vast and multifaceted. From the development of durable concrete to the innovative use of arches, vaults, and domes, and from urban planning to decorative elements, the Romans have left an indelible mark on how we design and construct buildings today. Their methods have stood the test of time, continuing to inspire and guide architects and engineers in their work.